2018 Toyota Prius equals expert-level productivity identification opened. The 2018 Toyota Prius is a standout amongst the most fuel-effective autos out and about today, yet you definitely realized that the most widely recognized form on the streets will oversee 54 mpg city, 50 roadway, 52 consolidated, as indicated by the EPA. That is the minimum effective form. Mind you, it's still sufficient for a close ideal score on our scale. It acquires a 9 out of 10. Settle on the Prius Eco, which cuts weight from the other trim levels, and those numbers enhanced to 58, 53, 56 mpg, as indicated by the EPA, looking for that dark belt in fuel productivity. That'd be the Prius Prime, which packs a greater number of batteries than the Prius and includes a fitting for electron-just activity. It's evaluated by the EPA at 55, 53, 54 mpg, however up to 25 miles of electric just drive on a full energize onto 640 miles with the 2-tank speed up. That is bladder-busting range, as indicated by us. The execution takes after an indistinguishable rationale from it generally has a cheap inline 4 cooperated with batteries for most extreme mileage. The aggregate framework yield is just 121 torque, entrusted with propelling in excess of 3,000 pounds of mass. Its transmission, guiding, and braking organize productivity, and we are fine with that. The Prius doesn't claim to be whatever else. Settle on the Prius Prime and its greater module batteries suit up to 25 miles of all-electric driving, far not exactly a Chevy Volt, yet sufficiently likely for urban drives to work. The inside is better this time around for true blue seating for full estimate. Grown-ups in some bit of solace. The liftback manages more load limit than ordinary cars, in excess of 27 cubic feet in many cases. The Prius plane ostensibly situates 5, albeit 4 will fit better. The Prius Prime doesn't offer a back seat bump, it's only 4 as it were.